Well, your polling place may look a bit different this upcoming election day on November 4th if Congresswoman Gwen Moore gets her wish.
Fox 6's Rachel Balian has more on the extra eyes she wants at the polls.
Congresswoman Moore wants the federal government to send election monitors to staff polling locations here in the Badger State on November 4th.
My parents met during the Civil Rights Act. I am a byproduct of making sure people can vote.
If Rick Boss comes across as upset, perhaps it's because he's eager to set the record straight on some comments he recently made.
I, of course, never called for vigilantism.
Boss is a Milwaukee County election commissioner and a self-described Republican, and he now finds himself being cited as a case-in-point example for Democratic Congresswoman Gwen Moore's request that the Department of Justice provide election monitors and other resources to ensure access to the polls on November 4th. In a letter to the Attorney General, Congresswoman Moore writes, quote, "We are deeply concerned about a news report that Milwaukee County Election Commissioner Rick Boss recently urged a crowd of volunteers to exercise vigilantism for voter fraud and challenge voters who are suspected of improperly voting. As you know, there is scant evidence that in-person voter fraud exists in Wisconsin or throughout the country. Such in-person challenges are likely to be used improperly, and they would dissuade voters from exercising their right to vote," unquote. Fox 6 was not in attendance at Boss' speech, nor was anyone from the Congresswoman's office. A spokesman for Congresswoman Moore says they got the information from a news website called Think Progress. Boss says he asked the crowd members to understand their legal responsibility and take it seriously this election.
My simple request is if this type of attempt to get voter fraud happens, it's something that's tangible. I'm not going to talk about pie-in-the-sky things you can't prove.
The spokesman for Congresswoman Moore points out that passions are hot across the political spectrum this election. He says they just want to make sure those emotions don't prevent anyone from any party from casting a ballot.
The elections need to be open, transparent, and most of all, we need to make sure that everyone feels safe, is comfortable while they're exercising their democratic rights.
Again, the Congresswoman is asking the Department of Justice to supply election monitors and other resources. She's also asking that they help dispel any misinformation that's circulating in the wake of all the back-and-forth voter ID decisions. She was joined by 3 other members of Wisconsin's delegation on this letter. Reporting outside Milwaukee's Municipal Building, Rachel Balian, Fox 6 News.
Coming